This is the first hopper load of Brennan that we're finally combining here. Moisture finally got down to about 14.5, so we can properly bin it. We don't have the ability to spray it like everybody else does because it's seed, so we're underway with harvest. That was the cat combine taking off a good crop of Brennan wheat out here on the pivot. We were blessed this year. We had pretty good rainfall. We didn't need to put a lot of irrigation water on. In fact, we didn't even need to run it. There's only a couple sand ridges on this field that really could have deserved some water this year. Worst yield I saw on the yield monitor this year was down at 32. The best was close to triple digits, so for us, very satisfied with how the Brennan wheat turned out this year. Well, that was kind of itchy, but it was worth the shot, and they were unloading on the go, catching a little more grain to put on the truck. Been going pretty good today. Brennan wheat from the grain cart into the truck on its way to the bin. I'm here at the bin site unloading Brennan wheat. We are well on our way to getting this variety under cover. So far, weather conditions have been excellent. We've been able to get it off without any weather on it, so quality looks very good. Very promising harvest.